Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer all your contacts from your old phone to a new phone without using a Gmail. Many people change their phone but don't want to synchronize contact with Google account. Don't worry, there is a very easy way to do it. Now first, open the contacts app on your old phone. Now here, tap on the contacts and go into settings or manage contacts. Next, select import or export contacts. Now go in all contacts, and here as you can see the name of your folder which is going to create is contacts and today's date which is 8/3/2026. Here you can choose a path where you want to store your contact. Here I am storing in 0 folder and create new folder which name I am going to give a contact. Now save it and here contact and do a done. Now export. Now my all contacts have been exported. Now go into the folder which you have saw. Now here come in phone storage, folder 0 which I created, contact folder. Here you can see my all contacts are in one folder which you can select and then send, or you can send it through Quickshare also. Open Quickshare, as you can see give or require permission, and also open the on your new phone Quickshare and share through it. Or you can also export your own contact in this phone. As you can see, this is a contact backup file. Import the contact inside to phone book. As you import this, all your contacts will go in your contact. I already have this old contact in my phone, so I am not going to import it. That's it. This is the easiest way to transfer contact from an old phone to a new phone without Gmail. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.